All right, so here's what we need. This is a toothbrush that I have, all right, on the different versions, soft, whiten, massage, whatever. But this is vibrating right now. So what I need instead of a toothbrush is when you have a car like this, or you clean the car, they have thin brushes or small brushes on a handle, okay, to get into the tight areas here and brush in all the way in, okay, and scrub. And then they need to clean in here, they clean in here, clean here. We have to get into here, right? So we're cleaning the entire wheel. For the bigger areas, they'll make bigger brushes like this, and that gets all in here and gets this whole barrel. But this is too big to get in here. Cannot get it in between the brake and the wheel. So I need something that is this small or completely flat, a flat brush that can vibrate in here, on here, like this. So what we need to do is something like this. So simply like this, and then just put it in there and turn it on, and then it'll vibrate. So this is what I'm looking for, is something like this. Okay.